over sugar, tipped over spice. Then I added everything nice. When I mistakenly knocked the perfect chemical, that's the seventh you get, to create everything nice. That's how my brand was formed.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oge Anna. Today's episode we have, oh god, why am I making such mistake? Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oge Anna, and today in Self-Made, Determined and Upcoming Youth, we have the amazing Yimika. He's an awesome chef, and the name of his brand is Seventh Spice. Seventh for perfection, guys. Seventh for perfection. And you guys will love to see the handsome black boy. He's actually really black, so shh, don't tell him I told you. So thank you and stay voila.
Hello Instagrammers. Sorry.
What's happening?
Hello YouTubers. Sorry. Hello people. Yes.
Welcome.
Hi.
So Yimika, please introduce yourself.
So, as you heard, I'm the great and amazing. I'm the great Yimika chef. Yimika.
Woo! You guys should clap for him. Clap for him.
Yes. Birth certificate.
What?
It is Ayo Yimika Odutayo.
Okay.
I'll save the middle name for later. I'll just drop it in. So Ayo Yimika Odutayo.
Okay.
I was insulted before coming here. She said I was black. She forgot to put beauty after, you know. Black beauty. The real ebony.
Nice one.
Yes.
But you're actually beautiful.
We thank God.
We tried.
We thank my mother.
Oh, his mother is actually fine. So
Guys, I get this a lot. Like, yeah.
Calm down.
Calm down.
the chef Yimika. Oh, sorry. Is
Chef
that your
mix?
What's your brand name like for your food?
Seventh spice.
The seventh. Is it the seventh spice or just seventh spice?
Just seventh spice.
Seventh spice. What are the seven spices you put in your menu, like in your food?
Let's just put it as perfection. Because you will not taste anything as perfect as what I give you.
Okay.
Whatever it is.
What brought about the cooking, the interest for cooking and all?
Okay, so I'm the last born, my mother.
Okay.
Then the kitchen duties have been handed down through each son. So when my immediate senior brother left the house, I didn't like the feeling of my mother coming home and not eating food. Because then she has brought money. She cannot now come and cook again. So the least I can do
It's help out.
is help out the way I can.
That's really nice. So that's where your inspiration came from.
Yes.
Being a man and knowing how to cook, do you feel like you want your wife to be more of the cook, or you'll be like, oh, because I'm a chef, the kitchen is for me, and I'm going to enter the kitchen. I'm going to be good though. To have such a man.
Just thinking about it, saying the kitchen is my own, then my wife is the breadwinner and all. I will sit around and do the cooking. But no. I'm not a typical Nigerian man. My own beliefs are different. Maybe my own ideologies are different. I don't believe in a woman living in the kitchen. Do what you want with your life. But let us both agree, come to terms, be happy. I mean, the marriage is not just on one side.
Yeah.
Both parties have to be happy before the children come and
She marriage sounds so.
I dabble too. I do a lot of things.
How do we reach you concerning this your business stuff? You know, some of us want to, taste out of this amazing seventh spice meal and all. So how do people get in contact with you? Do you have a card? Do you have a website? Or what medium do you use to advertise your business?
You can order my meals. You can order my meals on Instagram. You can order from my page, 7 Spice. My orders are just for chicken for now, because I want you to have the best experience. And a lot of other meals, the experience depreciates as the meals get cold. So chicken doesn't depreciate with cold, except if you put it in the freezer. Yeah, you can get from my page 7 Spice, 70H Spice.
Okay, I'll put that below, like the description box.
Yeah, I hope you can spell Spice. I'm just playing. Okay. Or you can call me, my number 2.
Okay.
So, you can call me. I do chicken. I do special events. For special events, I have a different menu from what is displayed. I invented my own meal, Bolly Dogs.
Bolly dogs.
Like a mixture of bolly and hot dogs.
Or is it just for dogs? Or, like, I don't understand. Do you make food for dogs too?
Yeah, I like it. You like it. People are dogs, we are dogs. But no, it's for human beings.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I do brownies. Yeah, brownies.
Cake.
Not that brownie, but normal brownies you can give your parents.
Cake.
It's not cake. With brownies, there's a difference.
Cake. It tastes like cake. Yes. What will you give to youths that working towards a particular career and they're seeing it like it's so stressful, they don't know whether they should move forward with it, or people that are working towards your line of business?
First, stay in school. Next, don't do drugs.
Okay.
Yeah, follow your studies. Okay, so that's what our parents all told us. Now, the real way, follow your passion, know what you like, pray to God to show you what you are meant to be. Because the earlier you find yourself, the better you start your life.
The God factor.
And the faster. That is the best factor. The God factor. God. Baba, Oshigoni. Yes, I speak Yoruba from time to time. That's me.
Your guy, a Yoruba boy.
I'm half breed.
He's Yoruba. He's a dog.
I'm half caste. Maybe that's why I'm so beautiful.
How dangerous can that come away? Oh God. That's the spirit of both. They flying and they.
Hey, just know I'm not been on any brooms. So you're safe with me.
Okay guys, so thank you so much for advising everyone, and I hope you guys learned something from this. So the fun question time, and this fun question is going to be different because we'll be doing never have I ever, or never have I ever. That's it guys. So Yumika, are you ready? Are you ready for me? Are you ready?
I sing too, but let me know.
Is it left?
Let me know both these skins.
Yeah, take. First question, guys. Our first question will be: never have I ever been drunk in public.
I've never.
Never.
I have good upbringing. I have good upbringing. If my mother ever caught me,
She's the one speaking at the background. She's even like,
I've never been drunk in public, and I don't plan to be.
And again, I don't drink actually. I don't. I ever cheated in an exam?
How many of you can say you've never? How many of you can say you've never? Because me, I've never.
Liar. This was in secondary school. We don't know anything.
No, my secondary school was even in YOUTHS.
It's a lie.
Yeah, I knew.
YOUTHS is not still cheating.
No, I didn't cheat. I did it myself. They helped people around me. I did it myself.
You did not still copy from people around.
No.
Ah.
The ones I failed. That was so close to cheating in uni. As I knew that if I did it, the question I was sitting from, I failed it too. So why not just glorify your failure?
Well,
thank God I passed.
we treated it secondary school. That was only during not YECO.
Speak for yourself.
Not YECO.
Speak for yourself.
But whatever, we didn't cheat again. We stopped cheating.
We gave our lives to Christ.
Yes, when you enter communal university, you give your life to Christ. Because if you cheat,
You'll be a state.
you go home. Okay, next question is: never have I ever gone for karaoke. I've gone.
I've gone for one.
Karaoke now, I will be singing. Oh, what's the name of that place in VI?
Rufus and Bees.
No, not Rufus Abbey, but I've gone.
Karaoke place.
I know supposed.
Oh. Me, I did not know my karaoke in Lagos State.
Ding.
So
You say in Lagos State.
I did my karaoke in Calabar.
Shade. How was them Calabar girl?
Calabar girls are what they say they are.
They like.
They are hot. They are hot.
They are now mouth.
They are beautiful. They are dark skin.
Next question. Never have I ever been afraid of injection. Forever young.
Forget all these beards, yo.
I swear.
I don't like injection, but I can take it. But
Before they put it in there, I had to wait.
I remember when I was sick, my brother videoed me because I closed my eyes. I was like this.
Even the hand, the bomb.
No, the bomb I can take it now. I'll just hold the chain as if I'm a prisoner. Jesus, take the wheel.
Injection, I don't get it. This question is different. It's not like a never have I question, but are you ready?
Everybody.
This question, and this is the last question. So we'll be asking a question,
For now.
and it's like, say the most disgusting meal you've ever had. Yumika, we're starting with you. What's the most disgusting meal you've ever had?
First, let's start with my best meal.
No, that's not what we asked you. The most disgusting meal you've ever had.
You're interviewing me now.
English.
Let me talk. Please now. First, let me start with something good. So when I drop the bomb on the other one, I can
Balance. Yeah.
My best meal, chicken and chips. You know now.
That was for everybody.
No, some people they are on apple, some people they are on a gari. But chicken and chips for me, all day, every day. Then my most disgusting meal is one of two things.
Confess.
White rice and butter. That's my dream one. And white rice and ketchup. Just mix it like stew. But more of white rice and ketchup. Because butter is, I know most of you have tried it now. Growing up, we did experiments, not on me. No, they form for me.
White rice and ketchup, guys. White rice and ketchup.
Let's hear your own now.
How does that work?
It's like the ketchup becomes the stew, red. You just.
That's not nice.
Oh yeah, well, you tell me what's your own?
Mine is fufu and beans.
Bye guys. Can you hear the fufu and beans?
Fufu and beans, what's there? It's like ewagoin and beans. It's like gari and palm oil.
Ewagoin is already beans. Can you eat ewagoin and fufu?
Guys, it's not that bad. I only tried it once and I didn't do that again.
You shouldn't try it at all.
It was nice.
Even the idea should disgust you.
It's a lie. It's creativity.
So it was nice. So
the same way
if I cook beans and fufu for you, will you eat it now?
Yes, nah. But we'll not eat plenty, but we'll eat it. It's food. People are looking for food. Anybody can eat anything. Then when I did with cereal was golden one and what's it called? Mounds. Bama. Mix it.
This girl has lived the life. She went to the real secondary school. You know all these things now, all these hard secondary school.
No, it was not tough.
When they used to do ajebota and ajepako. Forget the ajebota look.
No, I'm tush like in so many ways.
That's enough.
I don't need you to start.
When you were eating for fun.
Yeah, you have to experiment. Experiment all these things. So guys, we've come to the end of today's episode and Yumika, it was nice having you.
Thank you. Namaste. Konnichiwa.
So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next episode. Bye. Kiss my people now. Yeah. It does do.